I want to hide this somewhere where I can. 1 second till this light, which my light went off, so I'm just waiting for this to come on. Those are all our spices.
Yeah. No. That's our spices. Our spices.
Your spices.
No.
Hello and welcome to a very, very special show. I know all of you back home watching me are missing the most important thing in life, which is traveling. I'm missing traveling too, and one country especially, which is the Czech Republic. I have traveled to the Czech Republic several times. It's one of my favoriteest countries, and not only is it my own favorite country, it is the favorite country for most of the world, because it is one of the 5th most traveled Central European countries or countries in the world after, say, London, Istanbul, Paris and Rome. I have traveled many times to Prague, to Český Krumlov, and I have eaten some great food there. Yes, I know a lot of you all have problems when you travel because you cannot eat European food. I also sometimes have the same problem. Let me tell you, when I travel abroad, especially to parts of Europe, the first day I enjoy great European food. The second day I eat some more European food. By the third day, our Indian palate starts pining for spices. And what can I do? This is the way we are born and these are our habits. But let me tell you one thing. There is great food in the Czech Republic, especially in Prague, which is great for our palate. It's food that we can easily like. And for that, I'm going to introduce you to a really special friend who is sitting in Prague right at this very moment. And he's going to cook with us live. So let me take you straight live to Prague and introduce you to Chef Lucas. Chef, how are you?
Hey, how are you? Hello.
Hey,
how are you?
I'm good.
My name is Lucas.
Hi.
This is my friend Thomas.
Hi.
And
Thomas.
we're gonna cook a very traditional dish for you guys today. Anytime you go to Prague or Czech Republic, you will be able to actually taste this dish.
So Chef Thomas and Chef Lucas, before I ask you about the Czech Republic and food in Czech Republic, I'm going to dress up like y'all. I have this wonderful apron so that we can all look like we are professionals. Y'all are professionals.
That's right.
I'm just
Chef,
the
where is
eater.
your jacket? Oh, no.
Yes. Okay, Chef. Before we start, Chef Thomas and Chef Lucas, tell us a little bit about food from the Czech Republic. What if I say, like, when you go to France, you always think of your sauces and you think of meats. So when I talk about the Czech Republic, what defines the food of the country?
As you mentioned before, it's very rich and it could be a little bit on the heavy side, and it's also rich with spices, which you guys will be familiar with, like for example caraway seeds, cumin, paprika, garlic.
Those are all our spices. Cumin, paprika,
No,
our spices.
Our spices.
Your spices. My
No,
spices.
no. That's our spices.
Okay.
No, of course.
I'm going to give you this one.
Of course, it came from you guys, and you know, as people traveled in the past, eventually all these spices go to Czech Republic as well.
So Chef, what are we going to cook today? Give us something that we can come to the Czech Republic and eat. Something that we don't have to go hunting for, but something that is familiar to our palate, something that we can cook at home maybe, and something that is, you promised us, is similar to something that we eat over here.
Well, there are some similarities with your cuisine, but it's completely different because it's not going to be as rich as your cuisine, but It's gonna be creamy, which you're familiar with, and it's gonna be
We're familiar with
spicy,
creamy.
you know, spiced with paprika, and it's gonna look like your butter chicken, but it's not gonna taste like that.
What do you call it in Czech, chef? What is the dish called?
In Czech, it's called na paprice. Na paprice.
I'm not going to try pronouncing this word. Let's get straight into it and cook it then, chef. Shall we start?
We're gonna start with the dumplings. Let's go first through the ingredients. So
Yes, what? Yeah, ingredients.
ingredients. We've got a flour. Next ingredient is the salt. And then we've got a milk, whole milk, 1 egg,
Okay.
and
1 egg.
and fresh yeast. And then
Yeast.
we're gonna use some stale bread cut into the dice.
So we've got flour as well, regular flour, 1 egg, warm milk, bread and yeast. Let's start.
So let's mix the flour with the salt, with a pinch of salt.
Okay, here we go. Pinch of salt in the flour.
Make a well in the center and put the milk.
So this is 500 grams of flour,
500 grams of flour, 250 ml of milk,
250 ml of milk, 500 grams of flour.
and the whole egg, 1 egg.
1 whole egg going in.
Then crumble the fresh yeast into the liquid.
Crumble the fresh. We've got powdered yeast. We don't have fresh yeast here, but
All right, no
thankfully-
problem. And then you basically work the liquid into the flour to make the dough. Should be sort of like semi-stiff dough.
Okay.
Put all the ingredients together, and then once you achieve the dough consistency,
Yes.
we put it on the table and work it on the table.
This is like a full exercise for me.
Add a little bit of the diced up bread. They're looking good. Nice. Nicely done.
So now we keep it to proof.
Yeah, put it in a bowl, chef. Put it in a bowl.
I'm going to put how long do we put it away?
1 hour. 1 hour. Proving time.
So the dough is in the bowl, back in the bowl, kneaded well. I've covered it with cling film and we put it away in a nice warm place for an hour to proof.
Yeah. Are we ready, chef? Let's go through the ingredients again.
Okay.
Okay, so for the braised chicken with the paprika and cream, we're gonna need, of course, the chicken. Then we got some butter for frying, or oil or butter for frying the onions, paprika, some pepper, and some salt, some cream.
Yep.
And we also have some water. Just season the chicken with salt and pepper.
Salt and white pepper.
Let's start your pan.
And in go the onions. And now we have to make these onions nice and soft and translucent. Let them cook through completely. ये तो बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है क्योंकि प्याज है, मिर्ची है और चिकन है और क्या चाहिए अपना ही डिश हो गया क्रीम
So now, once the onions are nice and soft, You're gonna add the chicken
Okay.
and just fry from each side.
We sear the chicken one thigh at a time. So the chicken is now seared on both sides and quickly putting in the paprika. Chef says paprika burns very easily, so we should have water handy. Here goes the paprika. Quickly stir this up. Yeah. Do I add water now?
Well, yeah.
And make sure there's enough water to cover the chicken, which is a bit too much water, but it's okay because this chicken is fat.
We cover the dish with the lid.
Yes.
And we're gonna cook it slowly on a low heat for 45 approximately to 1 hour until the chicken is actually soft.
Put the lid on and let the chicken simmer on a low flame for at least 45 minutes to an hour or till the chicken is completely cooked. Chef, this is ready. Lovely.
Nice.
Okay, so now I take the chicken out of this. So now I've got this. Do I strain this or what?
No. Now we're gonna thicken the sauce. Plain flour and water mixed together. And we're gonna thicken it.
Shall I just add?
No. Mix up. Like Thomas is doing right now. See.
Okay, it's ready.
Okay. See? Like this.
The oil is separating from the flour, which is nice.
Just strain the sauce.
My gravy is ready. The most difficult part, the dumplings.
Boiling water. And season the water with the salt.
And now we'll start rolling the dumplings. If chef shows us how to do it.
Make sure it's quite tight. So there is no air pockets in between the dough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So I'm ready with this.
Once the dumpling is ready, we're gonna cut it with a knife. Once you think the dumpling is ready, you take them out from the water like this, yeah?
Yes. Yes, brushed with butter.
Nice, nicely done. Okay, we cut it with a sewing thread or
Okay.
string, but you can do it with a knife.
So the chicken is ready, the sauce is ready, the dumplings are ready.
Okay, so now we're gonna serve the dish. Just put it on a plate.
I'm done. Voila!
Enjoy your meal.
I love it. I think I could have put a little more paprika in it. The next time when I make it for myself, I will add a little more paprika. But it's wonderful. It's creamy, it's smooth, it's spicy. And you're right. Without putting any tomato in it, it still tastes like chicken makhanwala or butter chicken.
Glad you like it.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you very much. So I hope you enjoyed this special episode. Me over here and live from Prague in the Czech Republic. Great food that we can all enjoy. So next time, आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए कि खाने में क्या है.
Have a good one. Bye. Can I have a look?
I'm just trying to figure out where I should do this. Where shall I do it? Sorry, just hold on. Yeah. दूसरे जगह क्यों गए? एंट्री एग्जिट करते सिनेमा बना रहे क्या?